College Algebra, Topic 2.3. We'll be solving this quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula. First, I want to label my A, B, and C. A will be 3, B will be -6, and C will be 4. So, first I need my opposite of B, which would be a +6, plus or minus the square root of B, which is -6, all squared, minus 4 times A, and then times C. And that's all over 2 times A, which will be 2 times 3. Alright, first I want to deal with my multiplication first. I have a -6 times -6, which is +36. Next, I have a -3 times a, -4 times a +3, which is -12. And then a -12 times 4 is -48. And 3 times 2 is 6. So what I'll be left with here is a 6 plus or minus. When I add these together, I'll get a -12 all over 6. Now the -12 can be broken into 3 pieces. A -1, a 4, and a 3. The -1 can come out as an I, the 4 can come out as a 2. The 3 will remain inside the root. So what we'll get is 6 plus or minus the 2 and the I, and the square root of 3 remains. Everything's over 6. Alright, now we'll start breaking this into 2 pieces. X equals 6 plus 2I square root of 3 all over 6. And the second one will be 6 minus 2I square root of 3 all over 6. Okay, now let's begin to simplify. 6 over 6 simplifies down to a 1. But 2 over 6 simplifies down to a 1/3. So what we have is an I square root of 3 all over 3. 6 over 6 simplifies down to a 1. Whereas -2 over 6 simplifies to a -1/3. So we have -1I cube root of 3, square root of 3 all over 3. So, excuse me, -I square root of 3 all over 3.